Oh, it's lovely. We're out in a very rural part of Connemara, and we're not going to get the Dublin prices. And we allowed half a loaf is better than no loaf in terms of profitability. As my late father used to say, there's no such thing as a bad profit. But it is beneficial to us, and it keeps people coming in and keeping the place alive. The Irish pub is in total jeopardy because of the rising costs, the costs of running a pub, the wages costs, and of course the rates are a huge issue. And it's an impediment on publicans now, and it's going to be very difficult in the future for people to keep going in this particular business. Any village in rural Ireland is taking a hit now in the bar trade. And it's a terrible, terrible pity, because there'll come a time, there's quite a few villages now with no pubs at all. And it's hitting the community every way possible. And in particular, people socialising. There is nowhere to go. I mean, if the bar closes here in Cashel, the lights will go out in Cashel for all times. So it's more than a bar. Pubs are more than just pubs for selling alcohol. They're a meeting place, they're for socialising, they're for conversation. Many, many aspects that people take for granted. And it's only when the pub leaves the village, like the post office, like the village shop, the show is over.